Mr. Duke? Hey, what's going on, Mr. Duke? Huh? Oh, you just like to my ear. Oh, Mr. Dukers. Mr. Dookie. Mr. Dookie. I'm gonna get your ear too. Oh, Mr. Dookie. Oh, 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 oh. Is that your ear I got? Is this your other ear? Mr. Duke. You just the Duke of Lumbridge, huh? Huh? You're just the Duke Fisheron, huh? Huh? Huh, Mr. Duke? Oh, who's being sweet dog? Are you yawning or trying to bite me? You're doing both, huh? You're doing both, huh? Oh, no, 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 no. Shalom, shalom, we go dog. We go dog. You don't have to be mean. You don't have to be mean. Wanna play finger tug of war? Play finger tug of war? Oh, finger tug of war. Finger tug of war. Arr, 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 arr. Finger tug of war. It's just like chewing and tug of war, huh? Just love it. Settle down, settle down, settle down, Mr. Duke. It's okay, Mr. Duke. You don't have to bite me. Okay, Mr. Duke, you don't gotta bite me. You get the longest whiskers, Mr. Duke. Oh, now I can't kiss your muzzle because you licked it with your tongue all wet and stuff. And I'm not kissing no dog drool off your whiskers. I may have low enough hygiene standards to kiss your muzzle, but I don't have low enough hygiene standards to double dip. Oh man, I am just so... I don't even know about that. I don't even know. How do you feel about that, Duke? Huh? You're so hyper right now you don't even know your name. It's Duke. 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 Aw, you're such a personality. Why don't you have a YouTube channel, huh? Why don't you have a YouTube channel? So people would make great fan art for you and thumbnails. They would love to see you play videos. I got a sneaky idea. How about I play the video games and you sit on the webcam and open your mouth and pretend to do stuff? Oh, I said that idea out loud, so now I can't actually do that. Unless they want to, me too. I could do that if they put it in the comments. I could give you a voice. Hey, how about I give you the Kermit the Frog voice? Would you like that? Would you like the Kermit the Frog voice? Everybody likes Kermit the Frog voice. Help me, Mr. Kyle. I need something to chew on. Everybody can do the Kermit the Frog voice. It's such an easy voice. It's in the spectrum that everybody has, male or female. True fact. Oh no. What's going on, Mr. Kyle? Mr. Yagi, Hige, what's going on? Help me. Help me chew, Yagi, Hige. Oh, I love you, Mr. Dookie. I love you, Mr. Dookie. Mr. Dookie. Oh, sweet and precious you. You're gonna sleep on my chest now for like an hour. This is why my YouTube videos never get done on time. That and work. Between work and you sleeping on my chest, nothing ever gets done. Oh, do you have both your hands on your paw trying to straighten out your nose hair? You do have awfully long whiskers. Maybe you need to get a hairbrush. Oh, hide your nose from the camera. Just hide your nose from the camera. Oh, you're sweet. Oh. I never really considered myself a furry. But I do like meat goats and dachshunds. And I kiss your muzzle and rub noses. Oh, nice sweet doggy. Oh. If you live like an animal, I don't know. I didn't think I'm a furry though, but I live like an animal. Beside an animal. You're just a people. You're just a people, and I'm just an animal. Title drop. Yeah, it's totally gonna be the title of this video. You're a people, I'm an animal. Keep hoofing you. I'm gonna keep hoofing you. I'm gonna keep hoofing you. Not the My Little Pony kind of hoof, the goat kind of hoof. They're kind of similar. What is wrong with you? Not that I watch My Little Pony, but I do. But I'm not a giant fan. Just like I'm not a furry. Or maybe I'm in denial. You think I'm in denial, Mr. Duke? Do you like My Little Pony, Mr. Duke? I got your legs, Mr. Duke. I got your legs, Mr. Duke. I got your legs, Mr. Duke. I'm kicking and screaming. There's your belly right there. Oh. Is that a doggy butt? Is that a doggy butt? Doggy butt. Come on, get up. Get up, Mr. Duke. I don't know. Come on, Mr. Duke. You know you like My Little Pony. I'm not saying you're a giant fan or like a brony or nothing. I'm just saying you like it. I mean, I watch Spongebob too, but that didn't make me a spongy. Is that a thing, a spongy? I don't know, I like Spongebob more than My Little Pony. Ah! Why? Why are you biting my arm? You got so aggressive so fast. Oh, did they change your collar out? It was green yesterday. It was green. Now it's black. Why does everybody love the color light green for some reason? I think Grand Theft Auto 5 did that in one short year. Now all of a sudden everybody's favorite car color is lime green. What is up with that, Mr. Dookie? What is up with that bright green color that people love the cars? I like dark blue myself. Dark blue. Then again, I'm a motorcycle kind of person. Dark blue is great on a motorcycle. Give me my finger back. Give me my finger back. Give me my finger back. You're just so rough when you tug a war with my hand. It hurts. Luckily, I have a high pain tolerance. You're not doing anything to me that life hasn't already. I mean, look at me. I'm here in front of a camera playing with a dog making a YouTube video. I got your snout. I got your snout. I got your ear. I got your ear. I'm gonna bust your butt if you don't behave. Bust your butt if you don't behave. I'm gonna bust your butt if you don't behave. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. Quit chewing on my elbow. Hey, you behave. Settle down. Come here. Come here. Like. I'm gonna keep grabbing your nose if you keep biting this. And there's nothing you can do about that because you can't bite if it's around your face. You can't bite it if it's around your face. That's right. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. I'll pick up your doggy legs. You gonna settle down? You gonna settle down, Mr. Dookie, or I'm gonna pick up your doggy legs? I'm gonna pick up your doggy legs and play with them. Play with your doggy legs. Arr. Arr. Quit chewing on my underarm. You armpit chewing little silly butt. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, I love you too. You're a silly dog. You're a silly dog. That's right. Come on. Calm your nuts. I got a rubber band. I use it for my hair. Watch what happens when I put it on your snout, though. I got it on your snout! I got a rubber band on your snout! Oh, I am so sorry, Mr. Dookie. Here, let me get it off. Wow! I got it off. What, you want to put it back on? You want to put it back on? Oh, wow, you learned your lesson. You learned your lesson. Oh, almost fell. You learned your lesson, huh? You're such a scaredy cat. You're scared of sticks, of rubber bands, of underneath the covers. You're just full of scared. Arr, arr. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you with a rubber band. Rubber band. Arr, arr, arr. You should totally make another video, huh, Dookie? Bring your little furry, squeaky raccoon toy and throw it around the living room. And you chase after it and play tug of war with it. Ow. Ow. You can put this on your nose. I'm gonna put this on your nose. I'm gonna put it on your nose. You don't want it. You don't want it to behave. Calm, 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 calm. 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 Sometimes you act like a cat, and sometimes you act like a dog with your little hind legs playing with my hand. What kind of a dog does that? Oh, you bit your own foot, silly. You bit your own foot, silly cat dog. Cat dog, cat dog, cat dog. Alone in the world with a little dookie dog. What is your problem? What is your problem? Arr. Fine, then play tug of war with my thumb some more. Bye-bye. Say bye, Dookie. With your silly little ear folded up on your head. Bye-bye, Mr. Dookie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.